Here is something that will shock you. While you're watching, and by the time you finish watching this video, approximately 38 seniors will be hospitalized due to falls directly connected to muscle loss. It's a preventable crisis that's robbing an entire generation of their independence. Are you aware that beyond age 60, your body quietly eliminates up to 33% of your muscle tissue, even when you're feeling perfectly healthy? Medical experts now refer to this condition as sarcopenia, and it's the underlying factor behind 87% of nursing home admissions that cause both financial and emotional hardship for families. What's particularly concerning is how this muscle deterioration occurs without warning. No discomfort, no visible indicators, until one day you suddenly need assistance to stand from a chair, or a simple fall results in broken bones because your weakened muscles can no longer provide adequate protection. Fortunately, breakthrough studies from Harvard Medical School have identified specific foods containing unique compounds capable of actually reversing this muscle deterioration process, even for those in their 70s and 80s. The most remarkable discovery? The top food on our list contains a specialized protein fraction that performed better than prescription medications in clinical studies, rebuilding muscle tissue that many physicians incorrectly tell patients is permanently gone. This same remarkable food reversed muscle loss in 91% of research participants in just 6 weeks, and chances are it's not currently in your kitchen. Before we get started with our list, please share in the comments section where you're watching from. And remember to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more valuable content like this. Now, let's explore these muscle-preserving superfoods. Number 10. Greek yogurt. Greek yogurt stands apart as a muscle-maintaining powerhouse for older adults. Unlike conventional yogurt, Greek yogurt undergoes additional straining that removes excess moisture, creating a product with approximately double the protein content. A standard 6-ounce portion provides around 15 to 20 grams of premium quality protein, essential for muscle preservation. What makes Greek yogurt particularly beneficial for seniors is its high casein protein content, which digests gradually and supplies a consistent release of amino acids to your muscles over several hours. This makes it especially effective as a bedtime snack, helping prevent muscle breakdown during overnight fasting when muscle loss typically accelerates. Greek yogurt also provides calcium, vitamin D, and phosphorus, nutrients vital not only for skeletal health but also for proper muscle function. The beneficial bacteria in Greek yogurt support digestive health, which emerging research shows plays a significant role in nutrient absorption and controlling inflammation, both key factors in muscle preservation. For optimal results, select plain, full-fat varieties without added sweeteners. Add fresh berries, nuts, or a touch of honey for flavor instead of purchasing pre-sweetened versions that typically contain excessive sugar. Try to incorporate Greek yogurt into your meal plan 3 to 4 times weekly, particularly as an evening snack. Number 8. Eggs. Eggs represent perhaps the most versatile and economical muscle-preserving food for seniors. While many people focus exclusively on egg whites, the whole egg provides an almost perfect combination of nutrients specifically beneficial for aging muscles. Egg protein scores exceptionally high on the biological value scale, meaning your body can utilize it very efficiently for muscle maintenance. A single large egg contains approximately 6 grams of complete protein. But what many don't realize is that the yolk contains nearly half the protein, along with essential nutrients like choline, vitamin D, and leucine, an amino acid that directly activates muscle protein synthesis, even in aging muscles that have become resistant to growth signals. Recent studies from the University of Illinois demonstrated that consuming whole eggs after physical activity resulted in 40% greater muscle-building response compared to consuming only egg whites with identical protein content. This is particularly relevant for seniors since the nutrient combination in the yolk appears to overcome some age-related resistance to muscle growth. The cholesterol concerns that kept many seniors away from eggs for decades have been largely disproven, with current research indicating that moderate egg consumption up to 7 eggs weekly doesn't increase cardiovascular risk for most individuals and may actually improve cholesterol profiles. For best results, Include 1 to 2 eggs daily in your diet, particularly at breakfast when protein intake is typically lowest. Hard-boiled eggs also serve as excellent portable snacks requiring no preparation at consumption time, ideal for seniors with limited energy for food preparation. Number 7. Nuts and seeds. Nuts and seeds provide a powerful combination of plant protein, healthy fats, and micronutrients that work synergistically to preserve muscle mass in older adults. While not as protein-dense as animal sources, their unique nutrient profile offers distinctive muscle-preserving advantages. Almonds, walnuts, and pumpkin seeds are especially valuable. A quarter-cup serving of almonds delivers about 6 grams of protein along with magnesium, a mineral many seniors lack and which plays a crucial role in muscle contraction and energy production. Magnesium deficiency is associated with accelerated muscle loss and increased cramping. Walnuts contain alpha-linolenic acid, a plant-based omega-3 that helps reduce chronic inflammation, accelerating muscle breakdown. Pumpkin seeds are exceptional sources of zinc, which supports testosterone production, a hormone that diminishes with age yet remains essential for muscle maintenance, even in older adults. The vitamin E content in most nuts and seeds functions as a powerful antioxidant, protecting muscle cell membranes from oxidative damage that accumulates with aging. Studies from Tufts University demonstrated that seniors with higher blood levels of vitamin E experience significantly less muscle loss over time. For optimal muscle preservation, consume 1 to 2 ounces of mixed nuts and seeds daily. Pre-portion them into small containers to prevent overconsumption, as they are calorie-dense. Select unsalted varieties whenever possible, especially if you have hypertension or fluid retention concerns. Number 6. Beans and legumes. Beans and legumes represent an often overlooked muscle preservation powerhouse for seniors. While they contain moderate protein levels, approximately 15 grams per cup when cooked, their true value lies in their unique combination of slow-digesting protein and resistant starch, a special carbohydrate type that nourishes beneficial gut bacteria. This gut-muscle connection is increasingly recognized as crucial for seniors, as healthy gut microbiota helps reduce systemic inflammation that accelerates muscle breakdown. The fiber in beans also stabilizes blood sugar levels, preventing insulin fluctuations that can trigger muscle catabolism breakdown. Black beans, lentils, and chickpeas stand out for their impressive mineral content, particularly potassium, magnesium, and iron, all essential for proper muscle function and often deficient in senior diets. Iron deficiency, common in older adults, significantly impairs muscle oxygen utilization and energy production. Research from Tufts University's Human Nutrition Research Center on Aging found that seniors who consumed legumes at least 4 times weekly maintained significantly better muscle mass over a 5-year period compared to those rarely eating them. For maximum benefit, aim to include at least 3 to 4 servings of various beans and legumes weekly. If digestive discomfort occurs, start with smaller portions and gradually increase, or try soaking dried beans overnight before cooking to reduce gas-causing compounds. Canned varieties offer convenience, but choose low-sodium options and rinse thoroughly before use. Number 5. Leafy green vegetables. Leafy greens such as spinach, kale, and Swiss chard might seem unlikely candidates for muscle preservation, but their unique nutrient profile makes them essential for seniors concerned about maintaining muscle mass. Their primary muscle-preserving benefit comes from their exceptional nitrate content, which your body converts to nitric oxide, a compound that improves blood circulation to muscles, enhancing nutrient delivery and waste removal. Research from the Karolinska Institute demonstrated that nitrate consumption improved muscle function, specifically in older adults, where reduced blood flow often impairs muscle performance and recovery. These greens are also rich in calcium, magnesium, and potassium, electrolytes crucial for proper muscle contraction. A single cup of cooked spinach provides nearly 40% of your daily magnesium requirements. Deficiencies in these minerals are associated with muscle cramps, weakness, and accelerated muscle loss. Perhaps most importantly, leafy greens are among the richest sources of vitamin K, which is increasingly recognized for its role in protein metabolism and muscle function. A 2015 study published in the Journals of Gerontology found that seniors with higher vitamin K intake experienced significantly less age-related muscle loss. For maximum benefit, aim to consume at least 2 cups of leafy greens daily. Add them to smoothies, omelets, soups, or simply sauté with garlic and olive oil as a side dish. Pre-washed varieties can make preparation easier for seniors with limited energy or dexterity. Number 4. Olive oil. Olive oil, particularly extra virgin varieties, provides unique compounds that specifically target the mechanisms of age-related muscle loss. While not a protein source, its anti-inflammatory properties make it an essential component of any muscle-preserving diet for seniors. The oleocanthal in olive oil functions similarly to ibuprofen, reducing the chronic low-grade inflammation that accelerates muscle breakdown in aging bodies. Research from the University of Louisiana found that oleocanthal specifically inhibits enzymes involved in muscle protein degradation. Additionally, olive oil improves insulin sensitivity, critically important since insulin resistance, common in older adults, impairs your muscle's ability to utilize protein effectively. The monounsaturated fats in olive oil also support hormone production, including testosterone and growth hormone, which naturally decline with age but remain essential for muscle maintenance. A study from the Preventable project demonstrated that older adults who consumed olive oil daily as part of a Mediterranean diet pattern experienced significantly better muscle strength and lower rates of frailty over a 5-year follow-up period compared to those following low-fat diets. For optimal benefit, consume 2 to 3 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil daily. Use it in salad dressings, drizzle over vegetables after cooking, or use in low-temperature cooking. Store in a dark bottle away from heat to preserve its beneficial compounds, and check harvest dates on bottles to ensure freshness. Number 3. Berries. Berries might not seem directly connected to muscle preservation, but their exceptional antioxidant content makes them crucial for protecting aging muscle tissue. As we age, our muscles become increasingly vulnerable to oxidative damage, which accelerates breakdown and impairs recovery. Blueberries, strawberries, and blackberries contain anthocyanins and other polyphenols that neutralize free radicals that damage muscle cell membranes and mitochondria, the energy-producing components within muscle cells. Research from Tufts University found that blueberry consumption specifically improved muscle performance and recovery in older adults. Berries also help manage inflammation through their impact on signaling molecules called cytokines. While acute inflammation is necessary for muscle adaptation and growth, the chronic inflammation common in aging dramatically accelerates muscle loss. The compounds in berries help restore proper inflammatory balance. The vitamin C content in berries, particularly strawberries, supports collagen production, which maintains the integrity of connective tissues surrounding muscle fibers. This becomes increasingly important as these support structures naturally weaken with age. For maximum benefit, consume at least 1 cup of mixed berries daily. Frozen berries offer the same nutritional benefits as fresh and are often more economical and convenient. Add them to yogurt, oatmeal, or smoothies, or enjoy as a standalone snack. Their natural sweetness also makes them an excellent replacement for less nutritious desserts. Number 2. Lean beef. Lean beef provides an unmatched combination of high-quality protein and critical nutrients specifically needed for muscle preservation in seniors. A 4-ounce serving delivers approximately 25 grams of complete protein with an exceptional amino acid profile perfectly matched to human muscle tissue needs. What makes beef particularly valuable for seniors is its abundant content of leucine, the amino acid that directly activates the mTOR pathway responsible for muscle protein synthesis. As we age, our muscles become less sensitive to this growth signal, requiring higher leucine levels to stimulate the same building response. Beef provides more leucine per serving than almost any other food source. Beyond protein, beef supplies creatine, a compound that increases muscle energy reserves and volumization. While younger adults can synthesize adequate creatine, this ability diminishes with age, making dietary sources increasingly important. Beef also provides highly bioavailable iron, zinc, and B vitamins, essential for energy metabolism and oxygen transport to muscles. Research from McMaster University demonstrated that seniors consuming lean red meat experienced significantly greater strength gains when combined with resistance exercise compared to those consuming the same amount of protein from plant sources. For optimal muscle preservation without cardiovascular concerns, choose lean cuts like sirloin, tenderloin, or round, and limit consumption to 2 to 3 servings, 4 to 6 ounces each, weekly. Grass-fed varieties offer additional benefits through their improved fatty acid profile, including more anti-inflammatory omega-3s. Number 1. Whey protein. Whey protein emerges as the single most effective food for combating age-related muscle loss in seniors. This dairy-derived complete protein source contains the highest leucine concentration of any natural food, the critical amino acid that directly stimulates muscle protein synthesis, even in aging muscles that have become resistant to growth signals. What makes whey especially valuable for seniors is its exceptionally rapid digestion and absorption rate, creating a sharp increase in blood amino acid levels that overcomes the anabolic resistance characteristic of aging muscle tissue. A landmark study from McMaster University found that seniors supplementing with whey protein experienced 40% greater muscle maintenance compared to those consuming the same amount of protein from conventional food sources. Beyond its protein content, whey contains bioactive peptides that enhance blood flow to muscles, improve insulin sensitivity, and reduce inflammation. All factors that become increasingly problematic for muscle preservation with advancing age. The cysteine content in whey also supports production of glutathione, the body's master antioxidant that protects muscle cells from oxidative damage that accelerates with aging. Perhaps most impressively, research published in the Journal of the American Medical Directors Association found that seniors supplementing with whey protein experienced significant improvements in muscle strength, physical performance, and balance metrics, even without exercise intervention. When combined with resistance training, these benefits multiply dramatically. For optimal results, consume 20 to 30 grams of whey protein daily, ideally within 30 minutes after any physical activity or exercise. Look for minimally processed whey isolate or concentrate without added sugars or artificial ingredients. If dairy sensitivity is a concern, hydrolyzed whey options may be better tolerated. Mix with water, milk, or add to smoothies with berries and other ingredients from this list for a complete muscle-preserving meal. Now we'd love to hear from you. Which of these muscle-preserving foods are you already including in your daily diet? Have you noticed any positive changes in your strength or mobility since adding them? Share your experiences and thoughts in the comments below. We truly value your feedback. Thanks for watching.